Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of creating engaging video sales letters? You're not alone! Many struggle to turn their ideas into compelling content without the right tools. Introducing QuickVSL, the revolutionary AI tool that turns your ideas into quality video sales letters in minutes.
Stop. What if you could make a $1,000, $3,000, and even $10,000 sale without lifting a finger? Imagine your business running on autopilot, generating traffic, and converting leads into loyal customers, all while you enjoy the life you've always wanted. All of this is now possible because we've created something that makes it incredibly easy to profit from your ideas quickly, using the proven power of video sales letters. We call it the idea worm. What is the idea worm? It's the simple but powerful concept of turning your ideas into high-converting sales machines without the need for complex tools, technical skills, or long hours of work. Because here's a fact, if you're not using the power of VSLs, you're leaving money on the table. Lots of it. In fact, I'm about to show you how video sales letters can skyrocket your sales without spending a fortune on ads, and how you can start creating them in just 3 simple steps, even if you've never made a video before. Here's the truth. If you're tired of low sales, struggling to get your message to stick, or feeling like your business is just barely surviving, it's time to make a change. And I'm sure you've tried it all. Social media ads, email marketing, long sales pages, but nothing seems to work. You're getting traffic, but it's just not converting. Here's why. People are no longer reading long, boring sales pages. They want something that engages them, something that captures their attention fast. You know what they're watching instead? Videos. Short-form videos, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Videos are the future of online marketing. In fact, by 2025, 82% of all internet traffic will be video. That's insane. But here's where things get serious. While everyone is talking about videos, very few know how to use them effectively to drive sales. That's where QuickVSL comes in. What if I told you you could create a high-converting video sales letter in just 3 simple steps, even if you've never made a video in your life? With QuickVSL, it's as simple as paste your script or let AI generate one for you. Sit back and relax as our AI transforms that script into a beautiful, engaging video with stunning slides and professional voiceover. Automatically. Click publish and watch your sales skyrocket without spending a penny on ads. VSLs have always been the driving force for sales. Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, boosted his sales by 74.6% with just one well-crafted VSL. Mike Geary's The Truth About Abs used a VSL to generate over $20 million in sales. Dollar Shave Club launched with a simple VSL, and within 48 hours they gained 12,000 new customers. These results mean one thing: VSLs work for every kind of business, because when you combine the idea worm of profiting from ideas quickly with the power of VSLs, you're unlocking a flow of sales without all the typical hassle. So if you're into the business of selling, you need VSLs to take some load off of your shoulders. QuickVSL makes it so easy, even if you have no technical skills, no copywriting experience, or even if you've never made a video before, everything is done for you with a few clicks of a button. The thing is, traditional video creation tools are a nightmare. Hours of editing, complex software, hiring expensive freelancers, all of that time wasted just to create one video. Here's the painful truth. Without the right tools, creating a high-converting VSL feels like an impossible task, until now, which makes QuickVSL a game changer. In minutes, you can have your VSL ready to funnel in endless traffic and drive conversions like you never thought possible. This tool is not going to be available at this price forever. In fact, the early bird offer is only available for the first 100 action takers. That's it, 100 spots, and then the price will increase. So you've got 2 choices: continue struggling with outdated methods, or take advantage of QuickVSL's AI-powered system to create engaging, conversion-boosting VSLs in minutes without all the hassle. And here's the best part. Not only will you get access to QuickVSL, but we're also including a free commercial license, so you can sell VSL creation as a service to clients and make a serious profit. Imagine this, charging $500 to $1,000 per VSL. It's a premium service that businesses are desperate for, and now you can provide it. So what's it going to be? Keep grinding with ineffective tactics, or click the button below and start creating your high-converting VSLs today. QuickVSL is the future of online marketing. Don't miss out. The clock is ticking. Your exclusive beta access to QuickVSL is slipping away. So make sure you grab your spot now before it's too late. Ready to make more sales, more money, and more impact? Claim your access to QuickVSL today.